Scotty, go up.
Scotty knows how to do that.
Calm it down.
Been doing that all weekend.
You see it do the...
Yep.
Look at that. All right.
So
We're gonna pull
what's
that wheel into the light. Okay, now show the world what it's doing.
You ready?
Show the world where it touched you.
Listen.
Uh-huh. That's delicious.
Can never tighten the
Do that again.
spindle assembly to the strut.
Do that again. We're dancing. All right, pull that wheel so we get a better shot of it. But yeah,
Okay, so
it's
this
somebody.
might
How
not-
loose is it?
that's not good.
That's not good. Oh, now it's finally tight. Look at that. Gee. Okay, so who put these in?
John Savage.
So previous owner.
Yeah, probably.
Ready?
Wow. So we're gonna tighten these up for safety, and then we'll probably say, Adam, you should probably go get an alignment.
I will go out to Mr. Alignment.
Not the alignment man?
Oh yeah, pardon me.
Frank? Good old Frank? Yeah. He's retiring soon.
No.
Yeah, it's unfortunate. All right, well, that was a quick, easy find the problem.
A little bit.
I asked him to
Oh,
wiggle
wrong
it,
wiggle.
and-
Ready?
Yep.
Hey, it
Oh,
doesn't
like
wiggle
magic.
anymore.
It no longer wiggles.
Oh, you guys are you are
Well-
crack mechanics.
This is why we take care of our buddies.
Okay, so